MLS run?
Yeah, it's been a long time coming. I've been waiting for this for a long time, so it's just good to get going and finally help the team out. Yeah, well, away from here, we're like obviously very close, but when we're in here on the field, it's a total different relationship. He's just my coach, and I'm just a player, one of 28, so that's just how it is. Well, I think it's always going to be like that. I think he's going to always treat me hard, like he's going to be harder on me than anyone else. But to be honest, I'd rather it like that. I'd like to earn my place in the team and just work harder than everyone else to do it. I mean, we talk about football, but not Inter Miami in general.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
we'll always watch games together and stuff like that, but not Miami stuff really.
Yeah.
Well, it's helped me so much. Obviously, he's the same position as me. He played the same different positions as me as well. So he's always giving me tips, doing stuff with me extra. Like in the off season, he was always training me and stuff like that. So he's helped me grow so much since I've been here. It was a proud moment for myself. Like something I've been always aiming towards from since I've been like 8 years old. So I was just so proud. My family was proud. Just a happy moment for me. Well, I think it's something I've become used to with the noise around me and my dad. Like I've always heard stuff about different things from being young. I mean, he's always coached me away from being young. He's always taken me out and done stuff. So it's something I was used to. When I came here, it's just the same thing. He's just my coach. I'm just a player. Well, obviously he's a great player. He's a great guy, and I'm just here to learn from him every day, help him when I can. And I just watch him all the time, every game, to see what he does in MLS games and see what I need to do to be at that level. I think I'm a very on-the-ball player. I like to get forward, I like to cross a lot. Yeah, so my technical abilities are probably my standout qualities. I don't think it was ever like that, because I think in training you prove to them that you're good enough to be there. It's like here, when I came here, I proved to everyone that I earned this spot and that everyone here knows that I deserve to be here. So that's also what I try to do. Well, it's been great, really. We've obviously had, I think it's three players now signed first team. So yeah, we've obviously been on a good run recently with Inter Miami too. All the coaches are really good there. They've helped me develop so much from Fort Lauderdale to Inter Miami 2 this year, and I think there'll be many more signing in the future. Well, me and Noah are quite close, so we've been together the whole year training all the time, and we're always talking together, like watching the other fullbacks. They're more experienced, and see what we can gain from that. And he's been giving me advice and stuff like that as well. Well, it's just the difference in step up to MLS, like the physicality, everything like that. Just the different standard of games, what you have to be used to. You can't get away with some stuff that you get away with in the MLS too, which is going to be a challenge, but it's something that I think I'm ready for.